Hello, it's Angelo Pucci, and welcome to our newest listing at 551 Mary Street North in beautiful central Oshawa. This home is professionally finished top to bottom. To tell you more about it, Kim is standing by. Kim, take it away.
A beautifully maintained 3-bedroom home situated within the well-established O'Neill neighbourhood of Oshawa. Welcome to 551 Mary Street North. Stone and perennial landscaping gives this 2-story brick home wonderful curb appeal. Beyond the front door is a reception area finished with wainscoting, and to the left, the formal living room. This elegant entertaining space is finished with hardwood flooring and has a gas fireplace surrounded by a white mantle. Its decorative plaster ceiling has curved transitions along the upper walls, and through the west-facing picture window are lovely front garden views. The living room's hardwood flooring continues across into the kitchen and its dining area, both which are finished with a box beam ceiling. The contemporary cabinetry has been updated with new drawer and door hardware, and the kitchen is complete with a stainless steel double undermount sink with a new high-end faucet, as well as newer stainless steel appliances. Complementing the cabinetry are quartz counters and subway tile backsplashes. The 2 glass panel upper doors, as well as the Peninsula's lower display cabinets, have interior accent lighting, while pot, pendant, and under cabinet lighting additionally brightens the kitchen's workspace. The reception area's wainscoting is continued along the walls of the hardwood staircase to its upper mid-landing, where an accent pot light complements the natural lighting through the east-facing staircase window. This level has cozy Berber broadloom in the hall, while hardwood flooring can be found in all 3 bedrooms. The 3rd bedroom features both a walk-in closet and a built-in wardrobe, as well as a contemporary light fixture. The master bedroom has a mirrored insert on the door to its walk-in closet, and both the master bedroom and the 2nd bedroom have ceiling fans as well as abundant natural lighting streaming through their west-facing windows. Completing this level is a hallway linen closet and a gorgeous 4-piece washroom. Luxuriously finished with a heated travertine tiled floor, the travertine is continued along the lower base of the walls and surrounds the jetted tub. This washroom also features a chandelier and pot lighting, a vanity with granite counter, vessel basin, and vanity sconces, as well as a corner acrylic shower with glass enclosure. This home also features a detached single-car garage, an interlocking driveway with parking for up to 3 vehicles, 9 new exterior windows, a covered entrance with exterior decor columns, an updated screen door and fiberglass front door, as well as a professionally finished lower level. Featuring vinyl plank flooring throughout, pot lighting brightens the recreation area, while a half wall creates a separate space which is ideal as a study or office nook. Behind bifold doors is a laundry room with a front-load washer and dryer, as well as walls finished with wood paneling and vinyl planks, and the 2-piece washroom features a Euro-style vanity. In addition to ample storage space, along the north wall are built-in shelves, which when pushed open, provide access to the tastefully hidden mechanical and utility room of the home. Just off the lower staircase's mid-landing is a walk-in pantry, and through a garden door walkout is the 3-season sunroom. Recently updated, this lovely space has vinyl plank flooring and 2 sliding door walkouts onto the patio area of the backyard. Featuring new wood and chain link fencing, This nicely sized yard has been beautifully landscaped with perennials, is shaded by mature trees, and has gated access to the garage and the driveway. Walking distance to schools, parks, and public transit, this home is also close to the Oshawa Golf and Curling Club, a shopping plaza, botanical gardens, as well as the city attractions of Parkwood Estate National Historic Site and Robert McLaughlin House, while the Oshawa Centre Mall, Durham College and UOIT, access to Highways 401 and the 407, as well as Oshawa's waterfront, are all short drives away.
We hope you've enjoyed the tour. As you've seen, beautiful home inside and out. We'd love to show it to you. Give us a call, 416-627-4610. We'd love to show it to you. Thank you very much.